This morning, I just received another complaint from an app, Rogers Customs. His name is Mr. David Jackson. Do you know him? He's from Techwork Work Company. Anyway, there are two problems with his last order. First, the air conditioner didn't work properly after installation. Secondly, on other unit makes too much noise. I explained to him that it was because of faulty bit of compressor has been delivered from a supply. Therefore, I offer to replace the faulty units and send or technician to check all the other machine. Fortunately, he accepted my offer and thanked us for the quick response.